Want to give your LinkedIn a fresh, eye-friendly look? In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to enable dark mode on LinkedIn using your phone. Well, let's dive in. First, unlock your phone and open the LinkedIn app. Once you're in, tap your profile picture in the top left corner to open the side menu. Once there, scroll down and tap Settings. Make sure your internet connection is strong enough to proceed. Now, under Settings, simply choose Account Preferences. Then under Display, tap on Dark Mode. You'll now see three options: Device Settings, Light Mode, and Dark Mode. To force dark mode, select dark mode, and instantly, your LinkedIn app will switch to a sleek, darker theme that's easier on the eyes. Well, that's it. If this video helped, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tech tips.